Hitting the Bullseye, Mastering English Idioms. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that's often heard in both casual and formal conversations, hitting the bullseye. By understanding this phrase, you'll not only enrich your English vocabulary but also grasp how idiomatic expressions can add color and precision to your communication. Let's get started. At its core, hitting the bullseye refers to achieving a goal with remarkable accuracy and precision. The phrase originates from the sport of archery, where the bullseye is the center of the target and hitting it scores the highest points. In everyday language, it's used metaphorically to describe someone's action that is exactly right or achieves the desired outcome perfectly. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business setting, our marketing team really hit the bullseye with their new campaign. Sales have doubled. 2. In personal achievements, you hit the bullseye by choosing to invest in your education. It's opened so many doors for you. 3. In general success, she hit the bullseye with her speech. It was exactly what the audience needed to hear. It's crucial to understand the context in which hitting the bullseye is used. This idiom is versatile but best suited for situations where precision and achieving goals are highlighted. Using it in the right context enriches your language and helps you connect more deeply with your listeners or readers. Like many idioms, hitting the bullseye can be varied slightly while retaining its original meaning. Phrases like nailing it or on the mark convey similar sentiments of accuracy and success. However, hitting the bullseye often carries a connotation of not just success, but precision and excellence. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the richness of the English idiom, hitting the bullseye. Idioms like these not only make your language more vivid but also help you convey your thoughts with greater impact and clarity. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be hitting the bullseye in your English conversations. See you in our next video, and happy learning!